Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to promote events. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook event promotions to effectively attract attendees, generate buzz, and make your events a success. Section 1. The power of Facebook for event promotion. Facebook, with its vast user base and diverse audience demographics, offers a powerful platform for promoting events. Here's why. Reach and targeting capabilities. Facebook's targeting options allow you to reach a highly specific audience based on their interests, demographics, behaviors, and online activities. This targeted approach ensures that your event promotions are seen by the people most likely to be interested in attending. Variety of ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats for event promotion, including image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and story ads. This diversity allows you to capture attention, engage your audience, and convey your event's details and highlights in a visually appealing and interactive manner. Event features. Facebook's dedicated event pages provide a comprehensive platform for showcasing your event's details, including descriptions, schedules, photos, videos, and ticket sales. Measurable results. Facebook provides detailed analytics for your event promotions, allowing you to track metrics such as impressions, clicks, cost per click, CPC, and event registrations. This data enables you to assess the effectiveness of your promotions, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your event promotion strategy. Section 2. Creating effective event promotions. To effectively promote your events using Facebook, follow these steps. Define your event goals. Clearly define your goals for your Facebook event promotions. Are you aiming to increase event registrations, generate buzz and excitement, or reach a wider audience beyond your immediate network? Having clear goals will guide your ad creation, optimization, and measurement efforts. Identify your target audience. Determine your ideal audience based on factors such as age, gender, location, interests, and online behavior. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gain deeper insights into your target audience's demographics, preferences, and online habits. Craft compelling ad copy. Write clear, concise, and engaging ad copy that highlights the key attractions of your event, such as speakers, activities, performers, or unique features. Use strong calls to action, CTAs, to encourage users to learn more about your event and register for tickets. Design eye-catching visuals. Use high-quality images or videos that capture attention and visually represent your event's theme, atmosphere, or highlights. Ensure your visuals are relevant to your ad copy and target audience. Set a budget and schedule. Determine your budget for your Facebook event promotions and set a schedule for when your ads will run. Consider your overall marketing budget, the duration of your event, and the timeliness of your promotions. Section 3. Optimizing your event promotions. Once your event promotions are running, continuous optimization is crucial for maximizing their effectiveness. Monitor campaign performance. Regularly monitor your event promotions using Facebook Analytics. Track metrics such as impressions, clicks, CPC, and event registrations. Identify trends or patterns that indicate the effectiveness of your ads. Refine targeting. Based on your analytics, refine your targeting to reach the most relevant and engaged audience. Adjust your targeting criteria to optimize your ad spend and focus on users who are more likely to be interested in your event and register for tickets. A/B test ad creatives and CTAs. Experiment with different ad creatives, including images, videos, and ad copy variations. Conduct A/B tests to determine which creatives and CTAs resonate best with your target audience and produce the highest click-through rates, CTRs, and event registrations. Track website traffic and event registrations. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic and event registrations generated from your Facebook ads. Analyze the behavior of users who reach your event page through Facebook, identifying their engagement levels, registration rates, and ticket sales. Promote your event page. Encourage social sharing of your event page and promote it through other channels, such as your website, email marketing, and social media platforms. Facebook offers a powerful tool for promoting events, attracting attendees, and generating buzz around your gatherings. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create effective event promotion campaigns, optimize their performance, and measure their impact on event attendance and success. Remember, event promotion is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, optimization, and adaptation to evolving audience preferences and industry trends. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to use Facebook to build brand awareness. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly.